Hey, I'm Captain Bobby Kimble, a full time fishing guide based in Palm Beach, Florida, and I'd love to take you out for a great day on the water. I was born in Virginia and got hooked on fishing as a teenager. I've always loved sports and the outdoors, spending years coaching youth football and hockey, which is why I especially enjoy fishing with kids and families. Even with a busy life, fishing was always part of it, and after moving to Florida for year round fishing, guiding became a natural next step. Today, I focus on select Palm Beach area lakes where living and fishing locally allows me to stay dialed in on conditions and patterns. Whether you want to fish on Lake Ida, Lake Osborne chain of lakes for peacock bass, clown knifefish, and other exotics, or explore Lake Okeechobee for trophy largemouth, I got you covered. You'll fish from my 2019 Nitro Z21, a 21-foot bass boat powered by a 225 horsepower Mercury Pro XS built for comfort, speed, and safety. It's a great platform for anglers of all skill levels and perfect for learning, fishing, and enjoying the day. If you're ready for a relaxed, family-friendly fishing trip in Palm Beach, Florida, book your trip with Captain Bobby Kimble, and let's get you on the water. Just click the Book Now button below to explore pricing, availability, and to reserve your fishing adventure today.